there's something exciting there as well, which touches on some of the intentions for this channel and kind of what excites me about divining an ontology that seems to be rational and fit. Knowing what the edge pieces are may give us a clue about how to do the middle pieces well. Like, how do we frame them in such a way that we do find true answers or more true answers? And that could be applied not just in physics, but in psychology and economics and personal development. Like, there's so many different areas that we can then make more sense of with these edge pieces.
Yeah, and I think, to extend that analogy, because I really do, I think that's a very apt analogy, the puzzle metaphor, but to extend
it's working for us.
Yeah. It's often thought, that there's a problem in physics because our theories of relativity and our theories of quantum physics don't go together. And I think part of that, the reason for that is that a lot of the theorists are looking for a way to directly interface one with the other. The thing that a frame does, and you get this sometimes with a puzzle, you can make out the pieces. You're like, oh, it's got to go together here somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
But having that edge piece means that one of those two sort of partial, you sort of fit together 5 or 6 different pieces. One of those partial things then fits into the edge. And if you can get the other one to fit into the edge, you're like, look at that. There's actually like 2 or 3 pieces in the middle here that we're missing. What could those be? Rather than thinking, oh, these are going to mesh directly with one another. Or maybe there's only one piece missing here and we just had to come up with that one missing link. It could well be that there's more than that. And you get a sense of proportion by connecting each of the sort of works in progress that you have up with that outer frame. Because that gives you, it's like an anchor. You're then anchored. You're like, okay, this has to go here. This has to go here. So we know now there's sort of 3 or 4 pieces in the middle here. We just thought, maybe there was one missing, but no, it's more than that.